To understand the phenotypic features of the lesions we call atrioventricular septal defects, we need to return to this normal heart and look at the relationships here between the oval fossa and the septal leaflet of the tricuspid valve. This is the eustachian valve, and if we follow the eustachian valve forward, we see that a fibrous extension from the valve here enters the muscular tissue and runs towards the area here, which is the membranous septum. The area is known here as the triangle of Koch, and is the area between the offsetting of attachment of the tricuspid valve in the right ventricle, the mitral valve in the left ventricle. In the past, we thought that this area was an atrioventricular muscular septum. But we now know that we can peel back the wall of the right atrial chamber, and we can find this fibrofatty tissue plane, which extends all the way forwards to the membranous septum. And we now know that rather than being a septum, this area is an atrioventricular muscular sandwich. In fact, the only true septal area is here, where the membranous septum separates the right atrium from the left ventricular outflow tract. And that is the true atrioventricular septal structure.